Okay, good afternoon. Today we'll be testing Cisco software using three different labs. First lab, we will actually be looking for and finding some malicious software on a pseudo-created network. So what we're going to be starting with is looking at a malware called Olympic Destroyer. What you'll find is if you follow the link to blog.talentsintelligence.com and scroll all the way down, you'll find IOCs, which are indicators of corruption. This could be malicious hash code used to invoke a specific action or process on a computer. And what we'll do is we'll use these IOCs and investigate them in the Cisco software. So what you'll want to do is copy, go to the visibility, because you want to be able to visualize everything that's going on before figuring out the nuts and bolts of it. So we'll start a new investigation here, and what you'll do is you can enter in your IP address, your domain, etc., any indicator for your device or network that you want to investigate. So what we'll do is, even with the plain text and the hash code, we can paste inside and we can start a new investigation, and it will hopefully produce the actual network. Again, this is a pseudo network, so it's not actually live. This is a lab created by Cisco, and what we can see is a lot of information, so let's break it down. The first thing is the attacked computer, which is in the center, which is the purple computer screen. You'll be able to understand its Windows 7, its IP address, and its MAC address. Anybody that knows anything about IT, these are crucial pieces to know. You'll also see where the actually impacted files are. So all the red files are all malicious code. Any green file is clear and is good to go. But what we can see from closer research is that the actual file that's impacting and making everything malicious is this file right here, which the file's name is old.exe. What we're actually going to look for is a bad hash code, and what we're going to focus on is this hash code right here, EDB, yada 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 yada, all that, EDB. And what we're going to go down and see is that Cisco actually creates a way for us to view it and track a malicious file. So if we follow the same hash code, this is the same hash code as we looked up on top of at the network. And what you'll see is where it interacted with the actual network or other devices. So what we'll be able to do, once we understand where the sightings have taken place, we can actually click on the actual source, and Cisco will be able to create. What we really need to understand, and what we're able to understand, and you can move all these pieces around to get a better view, is where the actual impact has happened, and who the target actually is, and what that computer is, where to find it. And this information is given using these Cisco tools. And all this information is available using visibility for Cisco.
Thank you for watching this instructional video on the Cisco technology. Please feel free to like, subscribe, and share with all your friends. And know that Universal IT Technologies is here to provide you your IT needs for a better IT world.